Adventure if you can. One nice thing about traveling with your house is that whenever it's lunchtime, you just like pull over and make food. Look at this, we made it to Crater Lake. Now we actually gotta go find the lake. All right, so which one for the book and which one for the truck? What's your vote?
Oh, they're different.
Yeah.
I like the one on the left.
For which one? One goes in the truck, one goes in the book.
Oh, I don't know. You decide. It's yours.
This one's the book.
All right.
All right. You know you're somewhere cold when there's a Forest Service snow shelter. So you don't go away from exposure. It's got like a wood burning stove. There's firewood left here. There's like tables. Pretty nice. Hey everybody, so the journey to Crater Lake is complete, and check it out. My brother not only made it to Crater Lake, but also hiked up here with me.
I hiked up here with you. Yeah, I know.
I'm very, very happy about that.
I might have complained about it just a little bit.
It's all right. We still did it, right? And that's important.
Yeah.
You know, even if you're suffering through something, as long as you do it, that's important.
Yeah.
But it's amazing. I'm really, really glad we came here. It was definitely one of the places I'd wanted to see. I had just seen some other people come here, and it even made me want to come even more, but it's amazing. So,
yeah, it's good stuff, man. I'm not usually a big national park guy, but I'm glad you drugged me here. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So that's it. That's the end of this series. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the content. Bye. Oh, and one more thing. Adventure if you can. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Yep. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. Woo! That's cold.
And the water's so clear.
It's so clear. Very pretty. I'm glad we came down here. Ask me again when we get to the top.
Yeah.
All right, I got in Crater Lake, and that's chilly. It is, but hey, you got to do the things you got to do, right? When are you going to be in Crater Lake again and try to swim in this amazingly very cold water? But there we go. Whew.